Every year in India, thousands of young people finish school and run out of road. No mentor, no map, no one who knows their name. The aptitude was never the problem, the access was. This is the gap Fuel was built to close. 19 years on, we are still closing it, now with an institution behind us. Fuel began with one 19-year-old who refused to walk past the problem. Dr. Ketan Deshpande had lived the confusion himself. Missed scholarships, closed doors, a future that almost wasn't. He went back for the students still standing where he had stood. A circle of friends became a national movement. A PhD in corporate social responsibility followed. So did the Ashoka Fellowship, the Dr. D.C. Pawate Visiting Fellowship at the University of Cambridge, the Mahatma Award, and Niti Aayog's Champions of Change Award. The honors traveled, the mission stayed. Today, Fuel stands beside young India in 4 ways that count: mentorship, skill development, career guidance, scholarships. We champion girls who are the first in their family to dream past their circumstances. We stand with the families of army jawans and martyrs. Through the Niti Aayog Aspirational Districts program, we reach students the system has overlooked. Over 1 million youth mentored, nearly 290,000 trained, close to 2,900 scholarships, 78 plus CSR partnerships. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and former President Shri Ram Nath Kovind have both acknowledged Fuel's impact. We are featured in Forbes, The Hindu, The Financial Express and The Times of India. Fuel is now a philanthropy partner of the India Business Dialogue at Judge Business School, University of Cambridge, a seat where global ideas meet Indian institutions. In March 2026, the Government of Maharashtra officially gazetted Fuel Skilltech and Entrepreneurship University, India's first university built by design for first-generation learners. The same young people, the same mission, now with an academic home and a credential that holds. At its heart is an idea borrowed from the world's best institutions, industry and academia in the same building on the same problem. 5 schools, each adopted and mentored by a leader of Indian industry. It begins with the Dr. Yusuf Hamid School of Science, adopted by Padma Bhushan Dr. Yusuf Hamid, chairman of CIPLA, a precedent set by one of India's most respected industrialists and an invitation to every other. The schools of management, future skills, technology, commerce and humanities are open, waiting for the partners who will help build them. In March 2026, Fuel listed its first project on the Social Stock Exchange at NSE India. Every contribution tracked, every outcome measured, every result publicly disclosed. Today that listing is putting 40 young women through a transformed education. The vision is 400. The classrooms are built, the labs are live, the faculty is in place. What stands between 40 and 400 is partnership. An investment in Fuel delivers a credentialed, university-validated outcome. Every course ends with a globally recognized qualification. The young person you support no longer has to prove their worth. Their education speaks for itself. Adopt a school, fund a scholarship, build a center of excellence within the university. Fuel, empowering minds, transforming lives, unlocking what was always there, waiting to ignite.